morning students. Today I am going to continue the chapter Society of Rural Area. In previous video I explained here about the permanent settlement. In 1793 Lord Cornwallis has introduced the permanent settlement. And what was the features of permanent settlement? That Rajas and Talukdars were accepted as Zamindars. The amount of their revenue to be paid was fixed permanently, which was not to be increased ever in future. Then I explained you that what was the scheme of permanent settlement created the problems. The fixed revenue was so high that the Zamindar found it difficult to pay. Due to this reason, numerous Zamindars were sold off at auction organized by the company. Then I explained you about Mahalwari system, that many of the company officials agreed that the system of revenue had to be changed again. By the early 19th century, an Englishman named Holt Mackenzie introduced the new system called Mahalwari system in northwestern provinces of the Bengal Presidency. Now today I will explain you about the VIII system. VIII system of land revenue was introduced in the Madras Presidency by Thomas Munro. During 1820 to 27, he extended the VIII system to all parts of the provinces, accepted the permanently settlement areas on the basis of 1/3 of the gross produce of the holdings. The VIII, a settlement directly with the rears, that is cultivators, was adopted mainly due to two reasons. First, there were no zamindars or other intermediaries with whom the settlement could be carried out. Secondly, it produced more revenue than any other system. Cultivators were free to cultivate or give up any particular field. There was no limit to the amount of land that a right could hold. The VIII system became oppressive. The reforms in this system carried out in Bombay and Madras. As a result of these reforms, the land revenue was reduced and land was given in a sellable value. The money lenders began to squeeze the lands of the peasants, debtors, and either evicted them or reduced them to tenants. The VIII had to pay revenue even when his produce was partially or wholly destroyed by natural calamities such as drought or flood. So, VIII or Munro system was developed by Thomas Munro. In British territories, the south, which consists parts of Madras and Bombay presidencies, Assam and Sindh, the word VIII means peasants. It was tried on a small scale by Captain Alexander Reed in some part that were taken over by the company after the wars with Tipu Sultan. Then it was developed by Thomas Munro. Later, this system was gradually extended to all South India. This system was adopted because Alexander Reed and Munro felt that in the south there were no intermediaries such as traditional zamindars. Large revenue would be collected. In this system, the peasant was recognized as the owner of the land. He paid the land revenue. The land was sold off. If peasant failed to pay the tax, the revenue was also fixed and was according to the fertility of the soil. The situation of the peasant was also miserable in this system. Now, what is the consequences of the land revenue settlements? So, different consequences of land revenue settlements. The introduction of land revenue settlements and the high rates of revenue greatly impoverished the peasants. The administrators, revenue collectors, money lenders and zamindars exploited the peasants to great extent. Peasants were unable to pay and fled the countryside. Villages became deserted in many regions. Now land became a sellable commodity which could be sold, brought. Now you have to write question and answer in your fair copy. Write a short note on Mahalwari settlement. Explain the Rohitwari system.